Zoomlion 4.0 batching plant is well known for its advanced technical performance and reliable quality. So what is the daily maintenances and precautions? In the following, we will explain 8 aspects of batching plant. Introduction to the main components of the system, safe work condition, work procedure, etc. First, introduction to the main components of the system. The batching plant is mainly composed of aggregate metering and conveying system, powder supply and metering system, liquid supply and metering system, gas supply system, electric control system, main building, etc. 1.1 Aggregate metering and conveying system. The aggregate metering and conveying system is composed of batcher, inclined belt conveyor, and aggregate intermediate bin. 1.2 Power supply and metering system. The power supply and metering system consists of silo, screw conveyor, and powder metering device. 1.3 Liquid supply and metering system. The liquid metering and supply system includes water metering supply system and additive metering and supply system. The water metering and supply system is composed of water tank, precise weighing water tank, water pump, water supply pipeline, valve, water weighing device, etc. The water is pumped from the pool to the fine weighing tank by the water pump, and then transported to the water scale bucket through a large and small water supply pipeline. When a certain weight value is reached, the water pipe will stop working automatically, and the water supply of the large water pipe will stop to complete the rough weighing, while the water in the fine weighing tank will continue to flow into the water weighing bucket through the small water pipe by its own weight. When the formula weight requirements are met, the small water while the pneumatic ball valve in the pipeline is closed to achieve the purpose of precise weighing. The additive metering and supply system is generally composed of 2 sets of systems, each of which is composed of additive storage tank, valve, pipeline, additive pump, precise weighing tank, additive weighing service, etc. 1.4 Air supply system. The air supply system is composed of air compressor and air supply pipeline. A series of pneumatic components such as pneumatic couplets, filters and solenoid valves are also equipped in the system. 1.5 Electronic control system. The electronic control system is concentrated in the control room, is mainly composed of control display screen, control panel, various electric control cabinets, and wires. Second, safe working conditions. 2.1 Before starting the mixer and belt conveyor, the electric bell should be pressed 3 times with an interval of 10 seconds. After the third bell rings for 5 seconds, the equipment can be started only after it is confirmed that it's safe. 2.2 The power supply should be cut off when the equipment is on maintenance, and it is required to hang work-on process, no power on, and special personnel should be assigned to take care of it. After confirming no one inside the mixer can be started. Third, batching plant work procedure. The operation of the mixing plant is relatively simple, mainly including the following steps. 3.1 After the mixer control system is powered on, enter the operation HMI interface. 3.2 System initialization, including formula number, concrete grade, slump, production volume, etc. 3.3 Check whether the materials are enough, such as powder bin and aggregate, and start the mixing control program after the operator determines that the materials are enough. 3.4 After ringing the bell for 3 times, start a flat belt and the inclined belt motor. Materials are fed into the metering bucket. 3.5 Open the butterfly valve of fly ash and cement tank. 3.6 Start a screw motor to transport fly ash and cement to the metering hopper. 3.7 Start a control valve of water pump and add mixture to make water and admixture flow into metering hopper. 3.8 Open the metering bucket door after the measurement meets the setting requirements. 3.9 The materials are mixed in the started mixer, and the mixer door is opened at the set time, and the concrete enters the truck mixer. The operation steps of batching plant are very important. If the operation is not proper, it will directly affect the production. It is serious. It will cause concrete production quality problems. Fourth, preparation before operation. 4.1. Check whether there is remaining material in inclined belt and flat belt. 4.2. Dot mixer, inclined belt conveyor, and flat belt conveyor in sequence. 4.3. Check whether the data on each scale is reset. Check whether the material door is closed flexibly and whether the action is accurate and in place. Fourth, check whether the lubricating grease is sufficient. Fifth, check the ventilation pipe of the powder scale, the ventilation pipe of the aggregate bin, each soft connection, and the return pipe of the dust remover. If there is any blockage or air leakage, deal with it in time. Sixth, check the wear of moving parts of belt conveyor, such as bearing seat and roller, and replace them in time if they are worn. Seventh, check whether the belt of the belt conveyor is deviated, and adjust and correct the deviation immediately. Fifth, precautions in operation. 5.1. After starting the machine, carefully check the operation of the machine and check whether the running direction is consistent with the marked arrow direction. 5.2. When the mixer is full of concrete, it's not allowed to stop. In case of failure or power cut, the power supply shall be cut off immediately, the switch box shall be locked, and the concrete in the mixture shall be cleaned, and then repair the fault or wait for power supply. 5.3. Before the mixer stops, unload the concrete firstly, and then turn off all switches and pipelines in sequence. All the cement in the screw conveyor shall be drained off, and no material shall be left in the pipe. 5.4. Check whether there is abnormal noise in the mixer. Observe the pressure change of the lubricating system of the mixer. The pressure range of the lubrication system is 2 to 10 MPa. Whether the reducer has abnormal noise, and whether the temperature is within the normal range, generally less than 70 degrees Celsius. 5.5. Observe the measurement system. Whether the measurement data is accurate, whether the measurement accuracy of each part is within the design range. Aggregate plus or minus 2%, others plus or minus 1%. 5.6. Whether there is overflow and remainings in the belt conveying system, whether the powder conveying system is smooth and abnormal sound, and whether the feeding speed of water and admixture is normal. 6. Precautions after operation. 6.1. After operation, the power supply should be cut off and the mixer key should be put away. 6.2. Clean up the dust inside and outside the mixer drum, discharge door and platform, and wash them with water to prevent shaft locking failure. 6.3. Drain the water in the air tank of air compressor. 6.4. In the cold season, the water in water pump and water pipes should be drained off. 7. Daily maintenance of batching plant. First, checking the cementation of residue concrete in the mixer drum. Discharge door and platform. In addition to flushing with water, if necessary, the power supply should be cut off and the residue cement should be removed by an air pick or manual operation. It's strictly forbidden to knock on the shell of the mixture with a hammer. Second, check whether the solenoid valve is leaking air and whether each cylinder operates normally. Third, check the lubricating oil quality and oil level of each reducer. Fourth, add grease to each nozzle and check whether the nozzle is blocked. Fifth, check whether the travel switch is loose and whether the action is accurate. If there's looseness or the action is not accurate, necessary adjustment should be made. Sixth, check the wear condition of the mixer blade, liner, intermediate aggregate bin liner, and hopper liner. When the blade and liner are seriously worn, they should be replaced and the connecting bolts should be checked for looseness. Eighth, maintenance of all lubricants. What kind of lubricant is used for other important parts of mixing station except the mixer? What are the specific requirements? First, maintenance of reducer on inclined belt conveyor. Use number 150 heavy-duty gear oil. Replace the gear oil at first 240 hours or 1 month and then perform the replacement every 720 hours or 3 months. 2. Reducer maintenance of flat belt in the battery unit. Use 150 heavy load gear oil on the reducer. Replace the gear oil at first 300 hours, and then perform the replacement every 5,000 hours. 3. Pneumatic triplet of pneumatic system. Add turbine oil or transformer oil in time. 4. Screw conveyor. Maintenance of middle shaft and tail shaft. Use Grease Mobile MP and replace it every 400 hours or more than 180 days. Reducer maintenance. Ordinary engine oil can be used. Change the oil the first 100 hours and every 1,000 hours after that. 5. Bearing or valve in the aggregate intermediate beam valve. Use number 3 lithium-based grease and fill oil once every 3 months. 8.6. Air compressor maintenance. Ingersoll Rand T30 synthetic oil is recommended. Replace the oil, filter element, and filter for the first 250 hours or 1 month. Every 500 hours or 2 months after that. The daily maintenance of the batching plant is done, and the equipment runs normally without delay. This is our common goal, so we should check and maintain frequently before, during, and after production.